Alex is very scared to fall in love. He's scared to be in love with me. How can I get him back? How can I really make him fall in love and not be scared? Hello, ladies, and welcome to this video. My name is Alex Cormont. I'm your French relationship expert. And in this video, I want to tell you something that will change your love life forever. I know you think I'm crazy, but to be honest, I've heard this sentence a lot, maybe thousands of times since 2007. Oh, I'm scared to fall in love. I'm scared to be hurt. I'm scared to be myself with you. I'm scared I won't be good enough for you. This is all BS. And I will tell you why. But please, if you watch this video, share it to all of your friends that are in the same situation. Because what I will tell you is a very important secret. Men cannot experience fear. Men, they cannot experience fear when they are really focused on attracting you, giving you, surprising you, making sure that you fall in love. So when you have a man that will tell you, oh, after a couple of weeks, months, and I got one client, it was 1 year later. 1 year later, he said, you know what? I'm not sure. I'm really scared to fall in love with you. I'm scared to be hurt. It's been a year that you met. It's been a year that you have been with each other. So what's going on here? The reality that is really hurtful, and I'm sorry for that, but the reality of the situation is that this guy was thinking that she was too available. Because when a guy will tell you, I'm scared to be in love with you, it's when in his mind, he doesn't have to do anything for you. He doesn't have to fight for you, surprise you, organize an amazing date, seduce you, etc. When we want a woman, we have zero fears. When we get a woman, we start to basically think and have a lot of fear, and we start to visualize the future, and that's when we find a lot of excuses. The problem with those excuses, it's really that they will make you be in a position of mothering the guy. Oh, he's scared. Let me reassure him. Let me show him how much I love him. Let me show him how much he means to me. And at the end of the day, you will end up in a casual relationship. Yes, you will have sex with him. Yes, you will pay attention to him. Yes, you will help him, sometimes financially. And nothing in return. I don't know. I'm scared. I'm hurt. My ex just ruined my relationship or ruined my self-confidence. My ex was bad. And so you will fight to show him that you're not his ex. I'm sorry to tell you that this way, but when I'm making a video, guys, it's because I really want to help you. So I was coaching this woman who told me, like, after a year, he told me that he was scared to fall in love with me. What does it mean? It means that when it was the attraction phase, the dating phase, everything was perfect. It was just a fairy tale. Now that the relationship is more established, he basically is taking you for granted. It is. He's taking you for granted. So we have to change the dynamic. And the only way to change the dynamic is to use the push and pull. If you don't know what is it, I've made a long masterclass about this technique in the description box below. But it is not a manipulative way to act. It is not a magical technique. The idea is very simple. We want to create something amazing, but we also want to be independent. We don't want to make him feel that he got us. We don't want to make him feel that he doesn't have to provide anything more. Why? Because the moment we would reassure someone that doesn't know what he wants, we are losing the control. We are giving them what they want, but they will give you nothing in return. So the reality is that there is no fears from a man. There is only this feeling, sensation that, hey, I got her. I can do whatever I want now. So let me bullshit her with like, I'm scared. I was hurt in the past. I don't want to suffer. because they know that this would create empathy from you, right? You would be having a lot of empathy for them. And so you would just give them your attention, your love, your time, your body, and you will make sure that they see that you're a good woman. And at the end of the day, the problem will be the same. So I don't want to scare you. I don't want you to continue to suffer, but I have the solution for you. I mean, we have the solution. We are a team now. So if you click in the description box, you will find the push and pull technique, and you will learn exactly how to navigate, how to regain control, how to really make this guy feel that you're the one. Because let me tell you this, when a guy feels that you're the one, he's able to do anything. And if you look at your love life so far, if you ask your girlfriends and you also analyze their love life, nobody will talk about fear unless they got you, unless they know that you're interested in them, you're attracted to them. That's when magically the fear comes up. We need to change this dynamic. And the best way to do it, it is to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Yes, I'm doing videos every week. I'm doing lives. So if you leave a comment, I will look at your comment, look at your story, and I will respond during my live. That's the way I've been doing coaching since 2007. That's the way I've been helping thousands of people. Because that's also is the way we can make sure that you will be happy in your love life. So ladies, make sure that right now you're in control. And if you tell me, Alex, I want to be able to get this guy, I want to be able to really be happy in my love life, you can just apply for my private coaching in the description. You talk to my success manager. He will study your situation and he will tell you what is the best way to work with me. Because I'm doing coaching on phone, on Zoom, via email. My goal is to be really there for you so you can get the results you expect. Okay? So I'm glad you're tuning in. I'm glad you will hit the like button, subscribe, and I will see you soon for a new video just so we can regain control and we can show him that you have a lot of value. I see you soon, ladies. Take care.